In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive in just 5 minutes. We all know how cluttered our Google Drive can get when various versions of the same file accumulate over time. Clearing out these duplicates can help you stay organized and save precious storage space. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Any browser you prefer is fine, as long as you can search Google Drive. Once you've got that open, simply type Google Drive into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll be presented with a list of results. Look for the link with the URL drive, google.com/drive/quota. That's the link we want to click on. This particular link will direct you to the storage quota view of your Google Drive, which is a handy starting point for managing your files. Now let's move on to accessing your Google Drive account. If you aren't already logged in, this is the time to do so. Use your Google account details to access your drive. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard showcasing all the files currently in your drive. Next, think about the file you suspect might be duplicated. At the top of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the file into this bar. Having a specific file name in mind helps streamline the process. But what if you don't remember the exact name? No worries. If you recall the type of file it is, for example, whether it's a document, spreadsheet, or a photo, you can refine your search further. Look for the Type filter right below the search bar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of file types to choose from. By selecting a specific type of file, you narrow down your search considerably, saving time and improving accuracy. Now, with this refined list, you'll see all files that match your search criteria. Take a moment to review these files. You have the option to open each file individually to cross-check their contents, ensuring they are duplicates. However, if you're confident about the files to delete, you can bypass this step. To proceed with deleting the duplicate files, either double-click on each file you wish to remove and select Move to Trash. Or, if you're dealing with multiple files, select them by clicking on the check marks next to each one. Once highlighted, look up at the top of the screen where you'll find a trash bin icon. A simple click on this icon will remove the selected files to the trash. And there you have it, a straightforward way to declutter your Google Drive and manage your storage space efficiently. Remember to periodically check and clear out your trash bin to permanently delete those files, freeing up even more space. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel more empowered to keep your drive neat and tidy.